Here we are inside. We bought our tickets. They were 2,400 yen. That's 24 bucks. AJ is free, and here's a picture of the islands that we're getting ready to go ride. Hey, hon. You excited about riding the boat? Hey, buddy.
Look, Dad. It's a weird island.
We're going to go around. Here's the island we're getting ready to ride around.
Are we going to go to that island too, Dad?
No, we're going to go to a lot of them.
Are we going to that island, and that island, and that island,
Don't know.
and that island, and that island, and that island, and that island, and that island?
Boat entrance will be right there when it's time to go. It's about 20 minutes.
We're going to go like to that island over there.
Talk to Victor next. Say hi to Victor.
Hello, Victor.
You going to send your games back to him?
I'm going to send your games back to you like tomorrow because I can't play them anymore, but I can.
Because you have a what?
Because I have a Wii.
You have a Wii.
Get all the way in.
Hey, stop acting crazy.
Hey, there's an island over there.
Hey, hon.
Ay, bakit sa lemon tea na?
Di mo ako kuhaan?
Bakit hindi mo kinukuha ang sarili mo? Pwede naman, di ba?
Mayo ka. Yeah, turn around.
Like this?
Look at it. Here, get yourself.
You go to Papa na.
Dad.
Where you going?
I want to show you that there's like a weird thing.
Sayaw ka nga, anak. Sayaw ka.
There's like a weird thingy over here. Like right about there.
I know.
Here I do.
What can I? Maulit.
Somewhat high.